So addressing the soft tissue work for the calves, we've got a couple options here. I've got a PVC pipe, which is a little bit bigger than the one that you would use for your feet, and then I've got a normal sized foam roller. So what we can do is get the foam roller positioned underneath your calf. Just about the Achilles tendon is a place where I like to start. We're going to lift, and all we're going to do is roll, trying to put as much weight as we can tolerate into the foam roller so we can feel some of those spots in the calf, okay? If you find an area that is a little bit troublesome and is more painful or uncomfortable, you can point and flex. You can hold in that position. If you feel like you need more pressure, you can cross the opposite foot over. Now, the PVC pipe is a little bit more firm, or a lot more firm, I guess, so you want to be careful not to go too crazy with this. But again, it's the same idea. We're going to work down to the Achilles, and you can work all the way up just short of the back of the knee. We really don't want to get back into this soft area behind the knee. Find some spots that don't feel good. Again, point and flex. You can move laterally across it. You can move straight up and down. You can go to the outside. You can also go to the inside of this, okay? If you wanted to, you could use a baseball or a lacrosse ball, but again, the pressure is going to be more direct to the calf area, so it's going to be a little bit more pressure, but also could be more uncomfortable. So this is soft tissue work for the calves.